In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Co teraz miało być? In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Now click on those three dots at the top right corner, and this way adjust all of your recording settings however you want to. And also choose recording quality by tapping on the best one for you. When you finished, use this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To enable or disable voice enhancement, click at the top right corner. And to manage all of those options here, tap on the chosen one and adjust it. You can click on this icon with a microphone on the left to select your language or disable speech to text completely by hitting disable. You can select translation to translate from language you are speaking to any other one or the other way around. Wherever you decided, hit OK in the pop-up. You can also enable option called Show Speakers to divide them in your recording. To finally end it and save it, click on the same button at the bottom in the middle. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. To delete it, hold it, and tap on Delete option at the bottom in the middle. To edit it, after clicking on it, you need to tap on those sliders at the bottom right corner and manage all of those options. Then discard them thanks to this X or save them thanks to this checkmark. And click on those three dots at the top right corner to operate all of those. Like rename. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!